In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit agreement on Trainerize. To make changes to your agreements, you'll need to use the web version of Trainerize. Agreements can't be edited in the mobile app. Open a browser, go to app.trainerize.com and sign into your account so we can work from the desktop dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Settings, then select Forms and Agreements. If your account has been around for a while, this area may be labeled PRQ and Forms. This is the central place where all your onboarding documents live, so it's the best starting point for updating anything your clients need to review and acknowledge. Next, choose the agreement you want to modify. You'll see options like the PRQ form, liability waiver, coaching agreement, terms of service, and any custom forms you've created. Click Edit on the specific document you want to update so the editor opens with the current content. Inside the editor, you can adjust the text to reflect your latest policies and workflow. Update paragraphs, refine legal terms, clarify instructions, add or remove questions, modify waiver language, and include any new business policies. Keep your wording clear and client-friendly, and make sure any legal sections are accurate for your location and services. If you require stronger acknowledgement, you can add a signature field, simple yes or no questions, mandatory checkboxes, and a date acknowledgement. These fields help confirm informed consent and can support compliance. Only mark fields as required when they're truly necessary, and keep the form focused so clients complete it without confusion. When your changes are ready, click Save or Update Form. From this point forward, new clients will see the updated agreement during sign-up. If it helps, add a brief note within the form indicating that it's been updated so clients understand why they're being asked to review it. If you want existing clients to sign the new version, go to Clients, open the client's profile, select Forms, and choose Send Again or Request Signature. This will prompt them to complete the updated document. Consider sending a quick message explaining what changed and why, so they know what to expect. Finally, preview your agreement. Click Preview to see it from the client's perspective. Check formatting, spacing, and readability on different screen sizes, and make sure required fields behave as intended. If anything looks off, return to Edit, Adjust, and Save. That's it. You've updated, secured, and shared your Trainerize agreement with